10 out of 10 for this toasty maker. Turns out I've been making toasties wrong my entire life.
So let's start by simply opening the toasty maker and first buttering both sides of our bread. Add in your ingredients. I've chosen ham, mozzarella, cheddar cheese, and tomato for this one. Clamp it together, smush it down a little, and look at that, she's a thick toasty. Pop it in the microwave for 3 to 5 minutes and watch your toasty be grilled to perfection. You'll even get those crisp grill lines. What I love most about this toasty maker is that it's BPA-free and non-stick. You can pop it straight into the dishwasher when you're done for an easy cleanup. It's compact and portable, so you can even pre-pack your sandwich and take it to work.